Welcome back, everyone, to your math remote learning with Miss Blanchard. Right now, we will be discussing graphing quadratic functions in vertex form. So, as we mentioned in previous lessons, the vertex form is not very difficult, but just a refresher, the A, if it's negative, the graph will open downward. If it's positive, the graph will open upwards, okay? So with that being said, this is what the vertex form look like. In the vertex form, x equals h. X equals h, the ordered pair of x, not the variable, but the ordered pair of x equals h. And h and k make the vertex. However, h, whatever h is inside of the expression, when you write out an answer, when you go to solve for it, the h will be positive, okay? So it will be opposite of whatever it is in the parentheses, and I'll show you some of that. So breaking down the vertex form, please print this out, take a picture of it because you'll need it. A is a reflection across the x-axis. H is a horizontal translation. The h is opposite of the equation. And then the K is the vertical translation. It means whether the graph is going up or down. Okay? So, steps to graphing a quadratic in vertex form. Find the vertex. Since the equation is in vertex form, the vertex will be at the HK. Find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, let x equal 0 and solve for y. And then reflect over the point at symmetry and then graph the parabola. Once again, you only need about 2 points. You can find the axis of symmetry, and then you can use that line of symmetry to reflect the other points. Okay, so the first example we're going to look at, the first thing it says find the vertex. The vertex is H and K. And once again, I like to label. So H. So when you take H out to write it, it becomes positive. So it'll be positive 1 and 2. Okay? So this is our vertex. Now, we need to find another point. So another point, like I said, just take 0 and plug it in for the equation. So y equals 0 minus 1 squared plus 2. So when you plug 0 in for x, you solve it out. Y equals 0 minus 1 is negative 1 squared plus 2. Okay? Negative 1 squared is 1 plus 2, and y is 3. When x is 0, y is 3, and that's the other order pair. So now I have 2 order pairs. So I'm going to graph my vertex first. So 1 and going up to 1, 2. And then I'm going to look back. And since here I'm going to assume because there's nothing there, there's a 1 and it will be positive. So I know my graph is going to open upwards. The other point is 0, 3. So I'm going to go 0, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think I went too far with my other point. So let's see, 1, 1, 2. My pencil is not working. Sorry, I got quiet. So it's 1, 2. Okay. So there go the vertex. And then 0, 3. And then if you draw your line of symmetry down the vertex, you can reflect the y-intercept over the line of symmetry and kind of sketch a parabola. It doesn't have to be a perfect parabola, it just has to be a parabola. And there you go. Okay? Alright, so with that being said, please continue watching the video if you need help. Look at the notes, print it out if you have to, take pictures on your phone. Come see me during my Zoom sessions from at 10:30 and 1:30 Monday through Friday. I look forward to seeing your progress, and please contact me, reach out with any questions. Have a good one.